Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to change image dimension, height and width in WooCommerce admin dashboard. So we are in edit order. Before starting work, it's a request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in edit order and then you see image size. So we are going to change image dimension using custom CSS by adding custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to applying custom CSS using custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it and then select PHP snippet, so click on it. Now create custom snippet section, open, and then you can add title and then you see code per view. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see class WC-order item thumbnail, and then you see width 200 pixel, height auto important, so you can add width according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert location run everywhere. On top you see inactive now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to edit order. So we are in WooCommerce admin dashboard and refresh the page. And then you see image width is increased. Now you see image dimension, width and height. So we set 200 pixel in custom CSS by using custom code. So this product has no image placeholder. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.